Hello friends. You've all heard about cryptocurrency, but not everyone knows how to make money from it. Today, I'll share with you a great way I discovered to earn through researching cryptocurrency exchange rates across various platforms. It's a low-effort method that can yield good results. Immediately, we can see the difference in price of Litecoin. On Toxim Exchange, it is more expensive than on Binance. It means we will buy Litecoin on Binance and sell on Toxim Exchange. Approximate profit for one such trade 10 to 12%. We need to buy LTC on Binance Exchange. Go to the Spot tab, look for the LTC USDT trading pair, buy for a comfortable amount. We test with $5,200. We bought Litecoin, and now we have them on our Binance wallet. Now we need to transfer the previously purchased Litecoin to the Toxim Exchange. To do this, go to your Toxim profile, go to the Deposit tab, select the Litecoin, copy the address of the deposit and return to Binance. On Binance, go to the Withdrawal tab, select the Litecoin, paste the deposit address, enter the total number of our LTC and click the Withdraw button. We wait a couple of minutes, log back into toxim.com exchange, and see that the coins came to Toxim wallet. Now we have to sell LTC at a higher price on the Toxim exchange. For this, we go to the Spot Trading tab, look for Litecoin USDT pair, enter the quantity and sell the whole amount. As we can see, we sold all coins for $5,830. Our last step is to withdraw funds back to Binance. Withdraw funds similarly, only now through the Withdrawal tab. On Binance, we take the USDT deposit address, paste it on Toxim, and click the Withdraw button. Choose TRC20 network, because it is faster and small commissions. After a couple minutes, we get our funds back on Binance. Let's summarize the results. Our starting amount was $5,220. Thanks to all actions, we got $5,813. Our profit was $593. It took us less than 15 minutes. This is called crypto arbitrage between exchanges. You can start with any amount from $100 to $180,000 and so on. Due to exchange restrictions, the amount for one trade cannot exceed $180,000 and make no more than 10 trades per day. After making the first test trade, you can increase the starting amount each time after time. The larger the starting amount, the more profit you get. This video has come to an end. This was a good example of how inter-exchange arbitrage works. Hurry and try this arbitrage chain because the spread can decrease at any moment. All links in the description. Good luck, peace, and big earnings.